know y'all see the new truck, the new Jeep, and the dolly back there. Even Nate got something new. This is day 3, stuck in New Boston, Texas. I honestly didn't want to show off the new truck like this. This is technically not me showing it off yet. I gotta get it washed first. Even the tire's frozen. First day in 3 days. I'm bullshit. You know I ain't gonna do that. It's first day in 3 days that we've seen the sun. And it seems to be working. I cut the truck on yesterday, aired everything up. Everything aired up good. Whole top froze. Look how thick that ice is. That's crazy. All the way down. I need to get all this ice off of here. I better leave that alone. She don't want to start. Get some of that ice over there, I'll be alright. I really do not want to stand up on this shit here. Ah, shit. Okay, alright. Ah, there we go. How thick all this is. Oh yeah. She's gonna get a good charge now. Oh, there's ice. Ain't no snow angels on that shit. You know what I'm saying? This is my solar panel. It's gonna charge my pony motor battery. Yes, sir. Charging. I need to start that bitch. I need to start this thing today because there is a bit of a hump coming out of here and I might have to pick up this power tower. It's like these things got their own personality, man. Cause look, that one charge up, that one give me a little problems. But this one here, oh, she don't like the cold. No. It hit about 20, right at 30, she gets stubborn. Come on. lot of y'all guys figure y'all got it bad. When you get up into shit like this, man, you got 3 pony motors on the damn trailer, and one don't want to start. Luckily for me, it's the one in the back. I don't have to use it that much, cause that's my steering pony motor. This one here just for the power tower, my scissors, and my H-gate, you know, and to open the trailer up. So when we en route, we straight. It get on my nerves, but I'm actually blessed that it's that this is the one that don't want to crank. That one is very important. The one in the front, that's important too. I mean, they all important. But this one, I can do without sometimes. Yeah, come on, goddammit. Gonna let it sit right there for a second. The overside right there been stuck. He was there too. He been here for about 3 days too. Like I say, this ain't no truck reveal video or, you know what I mean? Y'all done seen the truck, but you ain't seen it when it's clean. Ooh, she sexy now. She bad. Something new they ain't never had. These right here, I kinda like how they look. The lady spec'd the truck out. She tried to get me some sleeves to go over the other one. I'm kinda glad I went with these though. They look a whole lot better. Oh, that's a stray dog over there. Don't play with no dogs now. It might be a driver's dog. Oh shit. See what I'm saying? Damn, ice ain't no joke, man.
You gonna be here for another 3 more days, ain't you?
Hell no.
You in that oversized?
Yeah.
How many more days you gonna be here? About another week?
Man, I'm trying to get out of here tomorrow.
Oh yeah?
Tomorrow afternoon.
How heavy is you right now? About 250,000?
Yeah, about 240.
Oh shit, where you going with that thing, man?
Arizona.
Arizona?
Yeah.
Man, I just tried to leave a while ago.
What you in?
I'm bobtailing.
Oh, you bobtailing?
Yeah, you know, I went down and got on 82. I get down there by the waste management. I had to turn around because trucks in my lane, they can't pull that hill. They
oh, 82? 82. I got to go down and hit. I got to get on 67.
Oh, you gotta go down, you gotta go all the way through town. You gotta go all the way Highway 8.
Yeah.
67.
They take that all the way back to 30.
Yeah.
Damn, so 82 still bad then.
So from here, you just get on Highway 8 and go south, right?
Yeah.
67. That's only 12 miles to 67.
Alright.
And you'll run 67. Where you pick 30 back up out of?
It cut 67 to 271.
Oh, you gonna run into 271, then get on 30 that way?
Yeah.
Yeah, 271 too. You'll pick 271 up over in Mount Pleasant.
That Mount Pleasant?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mount Pleasant, Mount Vernon, one of those.
So I'm gonna just get, if I don't leave, I might leave Wednesday.
Oh yeah, you got, where your escorts?
Oh, they at the hotel. Oh. Yeah. One of them in a hotel, one of them in a van.
Oh, right.
Yeah. Yeah, they somewhere cooler.
You like pulling that heavy shit?
Yeah, man, it's fun.
Huh?
It's fun if you like a challenge.
Yeah, well, I like all kind of challenges. I prepare for all contingency.
That right?
Yeah, that's a money load now.
Yeah,
you on your own truck, brother, man?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what's up, man. I like to see us out there getting it like that, man.
Yeah, man. I appreciate that.
On that, huh?
Appreciate that, man.
Yeah, I like that, man. I like to see us out there getting it. Because they don't like to see us getting it.
All right, they got a big truck. I mean, a big truck. Down there, they got off the road a little too far. That's why when you get this big, you don't never get off the side of the road, man. Don't never leave that pavement, because what'll happen, you don't know where it's soft and where the ground is hard. And when that happens,
on the car about 2 or 3 feet.
And when that happens, your Jeep, your dolly, whatever, it could sink and it'll pull you sideways. That's why even on these little bitty roads, I stay on the road. I don't care how wide they are. If we get a section I can see that it's concrete or asphalt, then I'll make an exception, but I don't get way off the road. If it's dirt, I definitely don't get off. But as you can see, man, they got the whole road blocked off. We're gonna be stuck here for a couple of hours. I could have slept in.
Back to the road.
Guess that's good enough right there. I don't know who it is, but I hate it for them. I know that's a bad feeling. Some people get off in this dirt right here and not knowing, man, that shit just collapsed.
There's no reason I think it's your fault, Junior.
Or get off in that soft dirt. What you say?
Everybody's gonna think it's your fault that the road's shut down now because you're right at the end of it.
Yeah, I know, of course, man. They're just gonna blame me.
For tacos?
I'm about to say, man, y'all can get something to eat.
Yeah, I just turned around so the sun ain't beaming at me. I'll turn around when we get ready to roll.
Yeah, you might as well park beside the load then. There's plenty of shade.
That's what I'm getting ready to do.
Yeah, man, they got the whole road blocked off. What's bad, this road right here is the main road for the oversized. So whatever coming this way, shut down. I'm shut down. Hopefully there ain't nothing behind me. Yeah, it's gonna be a mess. They're gonna be down there for a couple of hours trying to get him out. Dude says his Jeep shifted on him when he got off the road. And I'll get some pictures. But the whole road, the whole load itself is tilting real hard to his right side. I just hope they can get it without the whole thing flipping over.
You got a tow truck down there or anything, Junior?
Yeah, dude said they got 3 of them.
Oh boy.
Yeah, them big rotators.
Could at least park it right where we can watch everything. That'd been cool.
Yeah, man, that's when that Samsung Ultra 25 zoom come in handy.
Fly your drone down there and annoy the shit out of them?
I don't know if they'll let me do
Keep
that.
going, man. They gotta get these tacos.
Yeah, these tacos must be good. They pulling in. Damn. That's like your worst nightmare. Anybody that know about this Highway 9 in New Mexico, you know it's nothing.
Anything, Junior?
Nah, I'm good. I'm about to get out in a minute.
I'm stepping up.
This Highway 9 is very small.
We cash only though.
Road ain't no good. And you figure he gotta be at least 16, 17 wide, if not wider. And I'm almost 16 wide. And we would have met each other on this road. Which, you know, we'll figure out something. But I ain't getting off in that dirt. Or the soft road, or none of that, man. You gotta be careful. A lot of trucks will try to push you. What you can do when you meet somebody on the road like this, the best thing to do is to stop. Stop and then try to figure out what y'all can do. Because a lot of times you have like a good shoulder, like on this side and that side. Sometimes you have a little asphalt, and sometimes you got nothing but dirt. But if you keep rolling, there's a possibility you rolling right past a spot where you can pull over just enough where another truck can get past you. So when you see something that big coming at you and you just as big, it's best to just stop. You know, send your escorts to talk to each other and work it out from there. Y'all clear back there?
Yep.
Oh shit, you beside me.
On the road, yeah.
Man, we've been out here since 9 o'clock this morning. Damn. Been out here for a long time. Mexico. We are headed to Arizona. Just walking around checking my load right now. I know it's a lot I gotta show y'all. Right now probably ain't gonna be the time. We gotta get up out of here. Good? Look, even Nate got something new. Trying to get out of here. Got about probably seven buildings out here, including me, 3 perimeters. The rest of them on flat ditch. We had a Shady Grove truck stop out here in the middle of nowhere. Arizona won't let us run on the weekend, so we get stuck out here. Ain't a bad truck stop. A lot of room to park. The biggest thing that held us up was the snowstorm, ice storm, really. And yeah, we got held up like 5 days out there. Could have been halfway back to the house. It is what it is, you know. That's the kind of stuff we got to deal with out here. Mother Nature, she not gonna wait for nobody. Man, still 36 degrees out here. So look, I'm gonna finish up what I'm doing. I got my escort getting me some fuel. I'm gonna get up out of here. What up, man? You good? You stay here or you left early?
I got up early.
Got up early. We ain't gotta go that far today. I got the Ford out here. I know y'all see the new truck, the new Jeep, and the dolly back there. We're gonna get into that, probably not this video, but yeah, probably gonna be the first video, official video this year. So I'm gonna finish getting ready. We're gonna get up out of here and I'll holler at y'all later. All right, let's roll.
Check that valve.
What you say?
Check that valve.
I did, but check it again. I checked it yesterday, I think.
That's different.
One thing we always do is check that valve back there for that steering. Man, you take off and you didn't pull that valve out, yeah, you're gonna be in some shit.
Alright, just pull it out.
Alright. All the trucks that was out here today, everybody going to Phoenix. It's crazy. So evidently Phoenix is a little hot spot. This truck stop over here doesn't really, like I say, it don't have anything to eat. But there is a guy, older guy that comes up here from Mexico, and he got the chicken, the steak.
Left side's clear.
And
Got an 18 getting ready to turn in.
And the way he cooks, man, is something special. That's some good food. Come on. You can't sit like that, brother. Don't blink your lights at me. Come on. I could just ride around you. I know you see all this trailer behind me. speeding. You ain't gotta do all that. A couple ATS guys over there. I remember that guy, man, from probably 10, 15 years ago. Mr. Perry.
Left side's clear.
Check the right side.
Come out the driveway now.
Oh yeah, we good.
Let's go.
I don't think I'll ever go back to a 379 or 389 either.
Got 1-4 coming back.
It's look how much room I got in here. I was talking with a guy last night, and he was telling me he would never go from a 379 or 359 to a 379, 389. He ended up loving it. Now he looking at my truck like, man, I never drive one of them, man. They ugly. He don't like them. I say give it a little time. Shout out to Barco too. We about to hit this road, man, and do that deal. This is one of the smallest clover leaves. Oh, slow down, slow down. Nice little drop off right there. See how small it is?
Heading towards the middle of the road now. You got to clear back here.
Alright. Yeah, you got a curve right there. You got a line of traffic coming. There we go.
Clear the bridge.
Copy.
You too.
We got a spot in Arizona. We're gonna have to stop and lift up over the Jersey barriers, the Jersey wall and the guardrail. So what I'm gonna have to do, I'm gonna have to hop out, cut on the pony motors. They gonna cut his on, and
35, 218's up.
we got the remotes now.
Copy 35.
I got my remote back. I ain't gonna say I got my remote back. I've been had the remote, but the computer wasn't working. It ended up being a switch by the pony motor. So I went by head phase, got that situated when I got my Jeep and my dolly, and that was a good thing to get back, because now I can control everything from the cab. I ain't gotta get out, lift it up. You know what I'm saying? And you'll see. It's another driver that got stuck up here, and I can tell there's a lot of other drivers scraping the Jersey wall going through there. But you know, we pretty wide, man. Right at 10, 15, 11 wide. So sometimes you just gotta think outside the box. start going up.
Alright, on the way up.
I give you much room to play with. You want to roll pretty slow through here because
Get out and check it, Junior. It's not going up. It's about a foot up. That's it. It's going now.
come on now, what you doing back now? Still going up?
It's still going up.
I think I'm maxed out right now. That's all I got. I had to change my shims, so it ain't going as high as it did the first time. But you don't want to go too fast. Keep knocking that power tower back and forth. You want to pick a pace and
I think that's about all you got.
keep it
Man,
there.
it's going up still a little bit.
Yeah, just hold the button down until you see it stop.
Yep, that's what I'm doing. That's it.
People out here watching, taking pictures and videos, all kind of stuff. You can see this where, I don't know if y'all can see that, man, somebody been tearing the guardrails up. And the Jersey wall. Yeah, she out there recording. How you doing? Make it even worse when you get down here, it'll shift over. I got a little room on that right side. This is why I like doing this kind of stuff, man. You know, you don't get this kind of excitement in a van or a flatbed. She getting the best video, to be honest with you.
She was nice. Y'all got it. Y'all got it.
When I tell you it get tight sometimes, this is what I be talking about.
Anything touching food?
No, nothing yet. Nothing touched at all. Clear the barrier on the left.
Alright, I'm gonna stop right here. We're gonna pull over right here to the right, give me no room to get around.
All right. Come on, let's go. Come on.
Stop right here.
Ready to start going down?
Yeah.